I'm on Glenfyne Road in Salford M6 in the popular Irlam the Height location to show you this lovely 3-bedroom and terrace property. It's situated on a quiet road, and as you can see, it's got a beautifully maintained garden to the front, mature plants. And as we head inside, go into a porch which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. On your first right, we open up to this cosy family lounge, complete with a large window and plenty of light in, and it flows on through to a separate dining room. So head towards the rear of the property. Downstairs you have access to cellars which provide extra storage, and then we have this really good size modern fitted kitchen. Which leads on out to a low maintenance courtyard garden at the rear, and then through to this garage space. Properties in this location are popular because it's easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester city centre. It's a great family location due to the easy access to local schooling, and it's within walking distance of 3 different parks, including Light Oaks Park, Oakwood Park and Real Hill Park as well. Upstairs, towards the rear of the property, we've got the 3rd bedroom, which as you can see is still a generously sized double bedroom. Then we've got a 4-piece family bathroom just through here. Got the 2nd bedroom, which is a large room. As you can see, property benefits from a loft room as well, which has the potential for further development. And then at the front of the property, we've got this huge main bedroom. Again, benefiting from a lot of light through those 2 windows, providing ample space. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.